Alrighty guys, so this, I guess you call it vlog or unboxing. It's gonna be separated by a couple of days and combined into one big video. Today is June 13th, and first of my shipments arrived, Jedi Survivor for the PS5. Again, I'll tell you the dates and the unboxings and stuff, but I just wanted to open this right away because I knew exactly what it was. Jedi Survivor, I played Jedi Survivor on the not a PS, but on, yeah, PC. It was okay experience, but it lagged, it had problems. Getting it for the PS5, it should run really, really good. The quality should be amazing. It's actually Ultra HD Blu-ray, so anyways, it's 155 gigabytes minimum. But anyways, gonna install this once the setup is complete, which everything will be in this video. This video might be a little lengthy. It's because I'm combining all the days, doing the setup, installing, and gonna at least start playing in this video too. So we got a while. So today's the 13th. I should expect my package on the 15th. By now it should have been a couple days ago. Older video, but by now it should be like the 18th or the 19th is when this video should be out for me, but you're probably watching it on the 19th, so that's probably my goal. Anyways, first of packages arrive. Gonna wait till the 14th and gonna unbox that one. The 15th is the PS5, and then the rest of the games will be coming in the following days, but I like to set it up before then. So without further ado, let's get into this. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is the 14th, and we actually got some good news. It's actually coming a day early. Got the PS5 is coming today, and a whole bunch of games are coming today. So stay on the lookout. Again, everything will be in this video, and it's very, very edited. So gonna probably be a while to edit this video because there's gonna be crop here and a crop here and a paste here and a paste here. So anyways, this video is gonna take a while to edit, so just bear with me. But again, this video is out now, so again, my goal is for this video to be on YouTube around the 19th, and so far looking good. The PS5 is coming today, and I can't wait to set that up. Again, I'll do unboxings and show you the games, but again, yesterday I actually got the Jedi Survivor, and a bunch of other games are also coming today too, which I'm not gonna say what they are because I ordered them a couple days ago. Anyways, just stay on the lookout. Everything's gonna be in this video, and yeah, this is where the fun begins. Okay, so the package came, and it's much bigger than I thought, so we're gonna set this up. I don't need to get to work till like 12:30. I'll plan on leaving at 12. It's not quite 11, we're about 6 minutes till 11 o'clock, so I should be able to at least get a major, update it, download my software on it, download my games on it, and get it ready. So here we go. Okay, so first things first, we got to take care of the Xbox. That'll be it. Okay, so I got it all set up. We're going to power it on now. Ooh, cool. It's going to take a bit. There we go. Okay, hang on just a second, guys. I gotta plug this in. Gonna flood you guys.
Okay, so we're gonna have to set it up. Obviously English. And, okay, so hang on just a second. I gotta do my password and stuff. Okay, so the password is set. I want the full screen. I want optimize experience. Oh, X, yeah. I agree. Okay, so we got a couple minutes. It's gonna update. Once it's done updating, I'll continue from there. Hang on just a second, guys. So yeah, we are updating the PS5. It is heavier than I thought. It probably weighs the same as the Xbox. Just a quick comparison. I'm gonna get it updated and stuff. Going to install Jedi Survivor. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to play it before I go to work because I only got 30 minutes before I head out to work. So maybe tonight. Okay, so we're gonna set up a couple things. Updating disk drive. Still getting set up. You can now use disk drive with PS5. Cool. Yes, I do have a game. I'm going to install Jedi Survivor. Okay, so got the new PS5, and if anybody wants to follow me, this is going to be my name tag, so you guys can follow me over on the PS5 if you guys want to play some games together and stuff. So, anyways, going to go with this. Okay, so there we go. It's Jedi Survivor still installing. Let's take a closer look at that, shall we? It's at 81%. Sweet. Okay, so it would have taken less time, but I had to go to work. So there you guys have it. It is set up. We're still waiting for the install, and then I also got a couple other games to install too, which reminds me, let's unbox those. Okay, well, it took longer than I thought, but it's installing. I had to wait till after work. It's dark out. It's 10:30 p.m. EST. So yeah, it's late. But I wanted to get this up and running. The other games I also got was Stray. I don't know if you guys heard about it, but I heard some really good things about this game. So Stray, people are going to talk about this, and I know the reviews on this game suck. And I just wanted it because I never even had a chance to play it before they took it off market. So this is going to get very controversial, and a lot of people are not going to like this, but I want to play it. And if it means streaming it for you guys, I'll do it. I have not even played it. I've seen the gameplay of it. I have not played it. Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah. I bought it. And I also have a couple other games that are coming on its way, too, so. Anyways, I guess we can just end the video altogether here, and then the next video will be the gameplays, because this video is probably almost 9 minutes long, so. I'll see you guys in the next one. Before I end this video, I'd just like to say I like the theme song. I like the home screen theme. It's very calming. Just take a listen. Okay. Well, anyways, it's a really calming music. I like this theme. That's pretty cool. So, anyways, yeah, that'll be it for the video. See you guys in the next one.